Alright guys, so welcome to today's product review. My name is John Anavi. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my new PLR products that you can pick up today, and you can claim ownership to it and sell as your own. That means you can pick it up today and get full license rights to this particular product, and you can sell at your own price and even use it for however you want. So this is a product that lets you tap into a $17 billion aging wellness market with a ready to sell guide that comes with full license right. So the title of the product is actually 101 tips to age gracefully in an uncertain world. So we have gone ahead to compile 100 plus uplifting tips that will help readers to find joy, find peace, and get confidence as they age, no matter their age or life stage at the moment. So you can see samples of the tips right here. So the first tip here is a choose grace over resistance. So you get a detailed advice on how you can choose grace over resistance. And in tip 74 there is a practice forgiveness as a spiritual cleanse. And then tip 45, embrace healthy fats, your brain will thank you. And then in tip 7 we say normalize uncertainty and flow with it. In tip 27 there is celebrate the little wins. And then tip 12 gives an advice on letting joy become your daily practice. So we've actually compiled 101 tips to help anyone age gracefully in confidence, with clarity, in dignity, and then staying connected in a difficult world. So whether you're a coach, a content creator, a digital marketer, or wellness brand, you can tap into this niche, into this audience with a premium quality product that is completely done for you. We have done all the work for you. Just pick up the guide and sell at your own price. So you see there's going to be a link under this video. Click on the link and then it's going to bring you right on this page. Scroll down and then just click over here. This is just $7. You pay for it and you get full ownership to this guide. So you sell the product, you can give it away, you can add it to your membership site, you can use it however you want, because you are getting full license rights to this guide. Yes, full license rights to this guide. So on the other hand, there's an upgrade, just one bump. If you want to customize the guide, you want to change the color. Let me head over there. You want to change the color of the guide, you want to put your name, you want to add your branding, you want to add your name, your logo, your whatever you want to do to it. You want to customize it to make it unique as your own product. Then you can go ahead and pick up asset and secure access link and secure access to the editable link on Canva, so you can customize and rebrand this tip guide. So with it you'll be able to add your name, you'll be able to add your logo, and even any other modifications that you want to add to it. So that bump of $17 gives you access to edit this particular tip sheet to your own taste and to your own desire. So you can also, once you get access to this editable link on Canva, you'll be able to even download your guide in any format, in PNG, in JPG, SVG, PowerPoint, GIF, PDF, MP4, and so many options that you're going to have on when you pick up that optional bump offer. So right now, if you want this guide, just go ahead, click on the link under this video. It's going to bring you right here on this page. It's going to bring you right here on this page, and then you can scroll, you can go through the page. You're getting 101 tips to age gracefully in an uncertain world. So we have done all the tips for you, 101 tips, well professionally packed and professionally packed together. And you can pick it up, you can see, you can sell the product as your own and keep all the keep 100% of the profits. You can add your name or brand as the author. You can use it for blog posts, email series, lead magnets. You can bundle it as your own within your offers. You can use it as upsells. You can create membership as a membership resource. So many ways you can actually propose this 101 aging tips guide. So go ahead, click on the link under this video. This is a done for you product that you can pick right now and start selling at your own price. So just click here. Once you click on the price point here, it's going to take you to the checkout page. The product is being hosted by JVZoo, so you can see it's a secured checkout process, so all your information is safe and confidential. So you only pay $7 to get access to the one-on-one tips to age gracefully in an uncertain world. So if you want to edit this product, as you want to edit and customize and rebrand this particular product, so you're just going to click on this checkbox. Yes, click on it, that yes, you want to get rebranding access to the tip sheet, to the one-on-one tips to age gracefully. So inside you can see, so once you pick that up, your price is going to update, and then you're going to have $26. You're going to pay $26 for everything. So you can pay via PayPal, or you can check out with your credit card, and you have instant access to everything. And if you have any encounter, you want to reach out to me, there is a support email right here after your purchase. So feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I see your message. So that's all for now, guys. So go ahead and pick up this hot and unique, it's a unique product you never find anywhere else, a unique PLR product that you can sell as your own and do whatever you want to do with it. You can repurpose it however you want. So click on the link under this video, it brings you right on this page, and grab the guide and grab the rebranding access link. So thank you very much, and